Hello friends, today in this video we are watching the latest and beautiful wooden flooring design ideas, and later we will discuss what is the price for wooden floorings and which types is the best wooden floorings. So friends, if you like our videos then please subscribe to our channel and thank you for watching this video. So friends, transform your home with the timeless elegance of wooden floorings, a warm, durable and stylish look. A wooden floors is bring sophistication and comfort to the any space. In India, wooden floorings is the gaining popularity for versatile and timeless appeal. But these are so many options. How do you choose the right one for your house? So let's break it down. There are three main types of wooden floorings available in India, along with price ranges. The first one is the solid hardwood. It's made from single piece of wood like teak or oak. It's luxurious and durable. It's perfect for premium look. Its premium option at 400 rupees to 1200 rupees per square foot. It's offering to the unmatched and luxury. The installation costs typically range from 60 rupees to 150 rupees per square foot depending on the complexity and labor charges. And another one is the engineered wood, a layer designed with real wood of top. It's offering to the stability and moisture resistant. It's ideal for kitchens and bathrooms. And engineered wood is a range from starting 250 rupees to 600 rupees per square foot, balancing the style and durability. And another one is a laminate floorings. It's budget friendly with a wood like appearance. It's durable and easy to maintain. It's great for high traffic areas. The laminate wood starting from 100 rupees to 250 rupees per square foot. It's perfect for budget conscious homeowners. So now why is the wooden floorings? Why you can go for wooden floorings? Because it's eco-friendly. When sourced is sustainable, increasing property value and last for decades with proper care. Plus, it's easy to clean, added to the added to the cozy, elegant vibe of any house. And you won't save on cost compared to the quartz for local suppliers and opposite for local source wood like take or cut transportation cost. Or consider the installation if you are handy investing in quality flooring save your money in long run with fewer repairs. And allow it your home with the timeless beauty of wooden floorings and contact of local suppliers or explore designs to get pricing. The prices are based on its location. Top brands like Greenlam Mikasa and Royal Touch and Notion offer premium options with features like scratch resistant finishes and waterlock technology for budget friendly choice. Check out the Red Floor NGO or Action Tessa.